Little more glow plug. Zach's talking to me, but I can't hear him through the cab there. Crank it over! Hey! Fuck yeah! Oh, I should have touched the exhaust. I wonder if I can reach. That's a cold start. It's cold. Hasn't been started for like a long time. It's got the 7.3 in there. Oh, she smokes good. She smokes. Oh, there you go. He smokes when he starts it, but it clears up. It clears up. Holy, the whole truck wiggles. That's a good runner. You ask me. Oh, it's clearing up already. Dang. Clearing up already. Look how pretty this thing is inside. Like the seat. Looks good. Fired up nice. It's like a straight pipe, hey? It's pretty ballsy sounding out here. Let's hear it. Oh, yeah. Sounds good, I think. Nice clean. He's even got carpet. He's even got carpet on the floor. Needs a vacuuming, but that's okay. There's carpet in the back. Yeah, there's carpet in the back. Holy, I'm gonna wiggle the seat forward. Let's see. Oh yeah. Cool. Some brake line. We gotta do one of the brake lines we gotta replace. Oh, that's shut properly, yeah. There's our cold start video. That's the cold start video. Idling real nice, no smoke or nothing. That's great, eh? Okay, peace out.